In this video, we will discuss about question number 1, chapter Some Applications of Trigonometry. We studied Introduction to Trigonometry, chapter 8. Now, I am going to start chapter 9. This is what? Some Applications of Trigonometry. So we are having some questions. So I am taking exercise 9.1, question number 1. What is this one? A circus artist is what? A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope. A circus artist what doing? Is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. We are having this pole, vertical pole, clear? And this is what? 20-meter long rope. This is 20 meter. A to C is what? 20-meter long rope. And artist climbing. Where? A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope. On this rope, an artist climbing. So, we are having this is rope and its length is what? 20 meter. And this rope is tightly, what? Tightly stretched, which is tightly, this rope, 20-meter rope is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole. This is the AB is one vertical pole and this rope is tightly tied from this top. This rope is tied there, clear? If the angle vertical pole to the ground, this pole is vertical pole and find the height of this pole. We want to find the height of this pole. What? We are having this vertical pole on the ground. This is vertical pole. Its top. At the top point A, we tightly stretched and tied one rope where artist is what? Climbing. We are having this rope 20-meter length and it is tied at that point. So we are having this one and we want this one, clear? We want what? Height of the pole. This is the pole, this is the rope. If the angle made by the rope with the ground, this is the rope and this is ground surface, angle made by this rope with the ground level is 30 degree. It means this angle we are having. This rope is making 30 degree angle with this ground. It means we are having this angle, this one, clear? 30 degree means it is inclined. Yes or no? It is making 30 degree. Obviously, this will be like this. So, this is looking like a what? Right triangle. This is looking as a right triangle. And in the trigonometry, what we are doing? We are having trigonometry ratios. And these ratios are what? We will use right triangle. To find the ratios of the trigonometries, we require one right triangle. Right triangle sides ratio will be what? Trigonometric ratios. So, this is one right triangle. This rope is what? This rope is making 30 degree angle with this ground. It means this is hypotenuse. This is what? Hypotenuse. This ground level will be the base and this height of this pole will be what? Perpendicular. So, in the right triangle, we are having perpendicular, hypotenuse and base we are having in this diagram. So, theta is this one. We are having this one. We want this one. We studied 6 trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tangent theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. But we require AB. AB is what? This is 90 degree. In opposite of 90 degree, what we are having? Hypotenuse. And and this is what 30 degree. This is the acute angle we are having. This is as a reference angle, and acute angles opposite side will be what? Perpendicular. This is the what? Perpendicular, and this will be what? Base. It means for this right triangle, AB will be the perpendicular, BC will be what? Base. We want AB value. Observe, we want value of AB. What we are having? AC equal to 20 meter. Angle C, theta equal to what? 30 degree. These things we are having. So what trigonometric ratio we should use to find the height of this pole AB? So we are having one trigonometric ratio sin theta. Sin theta equal to what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sin theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is the perpendicular, this is the hypotenuse. This is what? Acute angle. Opposite of this one will be perpendicular, and its adjacent will be what? Base. So this can be written as what? We are having theta equal to 30 degree. Sin 30 degree will be what? Perpendicular we want. So I am writing as AB, and H is what? Hypotenuse, and its value is what? AC, and AC is what? Hypotenuse. I am writing, and now I am putting value. Sin 30 equal to what? 1 upon 2, and AB we want, and AC we are having what? 20 meter. So finally once we solve, I am doing cross multiplication. So AB will be what? 20 upon 2. Solve this one time it is going, 10 time it is going. So finally what we can say? AB equal to 10 meter, and this is what? Height of AB is what? Height of the pole. Find the height of the pole, and the height of this pole will be what? 10 meter. It means we obtained height, and this is what? Perpendicular of this right triangle. Clear? Again observe what we are doing. Observe, a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope. These are the applications. We studied introduction to trigonometry, all things required, 6 trigonometry ratios, some specific angles, trigonometric ratios, and trigonometric identity. We studied in the chapter 8, introduction to trigonometry. But in this chapter, it is linked to trigonometry, but by using the trigonometry ratios, we will solve some questions. So these are the some applications of trigonometry. So first application I am having is a question. What? One circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope. This is the rope, and one circus artist what doing? Climbing, which is the tightly stretched and the tied from the top of the vertical pole of the ground. We are having one pole, and it is this rope is tightly stretched and tied at the top of this pole. At the point A we tied. Clear? It means, and one thing is also given, what? If the angle made by the rope with the ground, we are having surface ground, and this rope is making 30-degree angle. It means this is what? Inclined surface, inclined. So automatically we can say this is the vertical, so we are having this is the 90-degree right angle we are getting. So finally what we can say? Its opposite will be what? Hypotenuse. And this is the acute angle, its opposite will be what? Perpendicular. We are having this one, and we are having one angle. So by using trigonometric ratios, we are having 6 trigonometric ratios, but best one will be this one there. Sin theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse values we are having, perpendicular we want, so we will use this one. Theta we are having what? Acute angle, and it is given in the question what? 30 degree. We are putting and finding the values. So AB we want, AB is what? Height of find the height of the pole, and this is what? AB. AB is the height of the pole, and it is what? Perpendicular for this right triangle. So AB upon AC, so we can say sin 30. The value of this one will be what? 1 by 2. AB is what we want. AB is what? So height of the pole equal to what? 10 meter. This will be what? Our answer. Height of the pole will be what? 10 meter we obtain. So finally, once we putting the value sin theta equal to 1 by 2, AB we want height of the pole, and AC is what, 20 meter. It is the what, length of the rope. Length of this one is 20 meter, hypotenuse. Clear? Solving, we are getting 10 meter. This will be what, height of a, this will be the height of a pole. This will be what, height of a pole. Clear? Final result I am showing there. So this is the answer for this question. I hope you understand this question. This is the easy one, not hard. We can easily to understand, and we can solve this one. So these types of the applications we are having in the trigonometry. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.